Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and tonight we are talking about some of the most fun things on Amazon. And you guys, who does not love laser tag? But did you know that you can play laser tag anywhere? You can buy this amazing laser tag set. There are 4 guns and 4 vests, and yes, it really works. It's like real laser tag, maybe even better. This is so cool. So like I said, it comes with 4 vests and 4 laser guns. But you guys, if you want to play with even more players, you can hook up unlimited amounts of players to this. So, just you can buy even more sets and just get the whole neighborhood involved, get everyone involved, have huge laser tag parties. This has an incredible range to it. It's up to 150 feet shooting range. That's crazy. Plus, one thing that I think is really cool about this that I've never seen in real laser tag that I think is even more fun is that there are 4 different shooting modes, like everything from like pistol to rocket launcher to machine gun, and just kind of it's like how many hits and how many points against you it counts, so you can play different modes, kind of different skill levels, depending on who you're playing with. This is going to be great for kids, it's going to be great for adults, great for anyone. It's made with all the highest safety standards. It's totally safe for even the littlest of kids to play. Everyone is going to have so much fun with this, and just, get out and about, get moving, enjoy the outdoors or indoors, wherever you're playing. This is just a really, really fun game. There's some cool surprises. You're gonna see that there's like voice mode, and you can like night vision flashes. This is just a really, really cool set. And like I said, you guys, you can pair them with even more, like, as many players as you want. So you might want to end up getting more than one set if 4 is not enough for you. But go ahead and put this in your cart. You guys are gonna have so much fun with it.